from Sokoto to Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes.
Can you give us an update of the meeting waiting?
Well, a prison is not a five-star hotel, so anybody that tells you he's comfortable is probably exaggerating. Of course, he's not comfortable, but he's a very strong person. He's taking it well. He understood the risk, the great risk of being a freedom fighter, especially in a country such as ours that is not a well-ordered society. So he prepared his mind for occasion like this. But be that as it may, the decision to take him to Sokoto, very far away from Abuja, where in fact his vicinity to the Court of Appeal would have accorded him the opportunity to exercise his constitutional right to appeal. So that decision was too swift, and I believe also too insensitive to his right to fair hearing, because the next destination for him, of course, is the Court of Appeal. And it is of the record and well known to the whole world, and to the court in particular, and to the correctional authorities and the federal government, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as of now, does not have any council of record. So taking him to Sokoto that way the very next day, with the full realization that his appeal was oncoming and was going to happen, smacks of insensitivity, and is a little bit suspicious as well. But I'm going to stop at that, and well, I hope things will improve as the days come by. Filing what? Oh, my own detention? Oh, that one is a traumatic experience of its own. Of course, my rights were breached. I'm not going to speak on camera on that. The matter is sub judice. We have to go to court on 15 December, and from that day onwards, we shall determine how we proceed going forward.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
That's the